Today, on the occasion of Mother's Day, I would like to, appeal to each one of you that mother is somebody who cannot be replaced. Today, on the occasion of Mother's Day, we must actually cherish every memory that we have with our mothers. Today, on the occasion of Mother's Day, I remember all the thoughts that I have with my mother. I am what I am today is only because of her, her thought process and her values that she put into me. I cherish every memory, and sometimes these memories are really, they go to so much of depth. And then you start thinking right from childhood, whatever you could remember as you grow, and what is the type of quality time that you spend with the mother. Mother is somebody, like I said, cannot be replaced. On the occasion of Mother's Day, I would like to thank my mother for putting all the good values in me. Also beating me up on several occasions, actually to make me what I am, but also I remember everything that she has done. I remember right from kindergarten, KG, the type of efforts that she has taken to actually see that we become good humans, good individuals, and really cherish every memory. Mother is somebody, like I always say, and I'm trying to share on with each one of you, is someone who cannot be replaced. She is one mother that we have, and she's someone who we should always look up to because she's the one who brought us to this earth. And I really love my mother. I really love her. Mother, I really love you a lot. And thank you for having put in the best of values into me. And I hope I live up to your expectations. I do my best to see that I live up to your expectations and to follow the footsteps that you are taught by you and Baba to me. And I mean, you are really very special. You'll always be special. I remember you a lot today on Mother's Day as I get this video recorded and share it with on various of my platforms to, talk to the people and tell them what a mother means. Each one of us know what a mother means. We don't need to tell anyone what a mother means. And you're really very special to me. Like every mother is special to everyone whose mother is there with us today. These are memories which we'll always cherish right from childhood, and many more memories yet to come. Mother, you're really young and you have a long way to go. I love you a lot. Happy Mother's Day.